Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for Thursday 21 of July. And right now we are looking at SHIB with potentially sitting at a particular level here. But one thing I want to point out though is that this is a neckline that might be coming into play for a retest. Okay, so you still haven't really got the best of this neckline. So what I'm going to do is just bring this a little bit closer here, and just like that. Okay, so now the question really is, you've broken out of this area, right? You broke out of it, and now you're coming down to that to back test this line right over here, 1136 potentially. And who knows, in 1136 you actually bounce off this place and you start to move higher to the 1790. I just want to actually not trade for the weekend because the weekend is approaching. I'm not sure if I want to trade when the weekend is very, very near at the moment. But yeah, SHIB is still looking amazing. The thing is that it might be a daily retest, okay, 1 day time frame retest of the neckline. So if you actually do hold this neckline on a daily time frame, there's a good chance that you make a bullish candles here, somewhere down here at that line, and as soon as you do that, you start to actually move to the upside. Okay, so it's something I'm just going to keep looking forward to. It's not really confirmed at the moment. If I do dive into the 4 hour time frame as well and try to get the clues, the problem with it is that you still have 3 black crows at the moment, and there could be a chance of making some sort of a bear flag here. And if you do make a bear flag, then you're looking for SHIB to drop from there to there, and this is going to take you all the way down to this level, which is going to be 1015. And that's not good, because if you do go to 105, you're going to be losing the neckline and you're going to go below the neckline, and that will be not something to support anymore. And that's it for this SHIB update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.